Hello folks, welcome to Sicard RV. I am Phil Babineau. I've been in the business for 13 years and I'm new to the Sicard family. I will be showing you today this beautiful 2020 Jayco North Point 381 FLWS. Let's check it out. Here I am standing in this beautiful 2020 Jayco North Point 381 FLWS. I just want to point out a couple features that this coach has, starting with the entertainment center here, 55-inch TV, and if you just notice, just beyond this TV, we actually have the windshield. So if you were sitting here wanting to enjoy a glass of wine with some company, you could put that TV down and still have a great view of what's in front of you, or in front of the coach. I also want to point out that it has an electric fireplace. Right now on this cool day it's on and we are quite comfortable in here. So for those fall days or spring days, you'd be very comfortable just with that fireplace on. Just over here we have the entertainment, the stereo system, AM, FM, CD, DVD, auxiliary, HDMI. I also want to point out here that this coach is equipped with the new WineGuard Wi-Fi repeater extender, and you can also put a SIM card in here to get Wi-Fi to your coach. Hello folks, here we are in the galley of this North Point. I just want to point out a couple nice features in here. The 18 cubic foot reefer. It's not a household refrigerator, but just about. Now this is a gas and electric fridge. So I know it was a big thing back in the day where people were putting, or manufacturers were putting in residential reefers, but you had to run off of batteries, where this will totally run off your propane while you're traveling, and 12 volt. But look at the size of this. It almost looks like a residential reefer. Has an ice maker. So just over here we have the residential microwave and a really nice range by Furrion. As you can see, it lights up with these nice fancy blue lights. And this is new. It has a light inside the oven. That's never seen before. And it has these really nice new grills, cast iron, a lot easier to clean. And we have this really nice glass top. So just over here folks, we have the JCommand System. This is a really cool innovation that Jayco has come out with and perfected. You can control your heat, air conditioning from a distance as long as the unit has Wi-Fi. You can dim your lights, you can start your generator. All your slide outs are controlled here. Whoops, I just turned on the air conditioning. Look at that. Let's go to the light system here. And that's the bedroom, the living room. Look at this folks. Dim the lights. Very nice feature. You can also do this from your smartphone, and like I said, you can run your AC and your heat from a distance. You don't actually physically have to be here, as long as the coach has Wi-Fi or internet and you're on an internet source with your phone. So here in the North Point we have this really nice washroom. We have a double sink, double mirror vanity. Great for his and hers to get ready in the morning, whether you're full-timing or just your weekend getaways. And over here we've got a porcelain toilet and this really nice acrylic fiberglass shower. We have this beautiful king-size bed. All these nice fancy pillows actually come with it. It's backed with barnwood, which is a really nice feature. Up above here we have tons of deep storage. It's probably about 2 feet deep. And this closet here features all this great shelving. Close that. As you can see, it has an automatic light. So as soon as you step into it or close to it, it turns on. And over here, you've got more shelving, or you could do washer and dryer prep for those full-timers. And just over here, we've got some more closet space with a pole to hang your items on. Entertainment center, little bench to get dressed in the morning to put your socks on. USB plugs and 12-volt emergency window. But look at this space, folks. You've got actually room to get ready.